Welcome back, folks. This is Joe Samo from San Diego, California. Let's do this geometry equation together. It's an important one. A square is inscribed in a circle. The area of the circle is 72 pi. What is the area of the square? I'm going to give you a few seconds if you want to do this on your own. Just go ahead and pause this video and try it on your own. All right, welcome back. Hopefully you tried it on your own. Let's now do it together. A square is inscribed in a circle. Let's draw out the square first. Okay, so there's our square. Now let's draw our circle. Forgive me, my drawing is not that great. So there we go. We got our square, we got our circle. I know it looks funny. Funny looking circle, right? All right. Now let's do this together. So the area of the circle is 72 pi. And what does that mean? The formula for the area of the circle is pi times r squared, r being the radius. So the radius is from here, from the middle of the circle to any point in the circle, on the circle. So 72 pi equals pi r squared. So let's go back to this. The 72 pi equals pi r squared. Pi and pi cancels. So 72 equals the radius squared. And then so the radius would equal square 72. That means that this radius here is square 72. You can simplify that, or you could just leave it like that for now. It'll be the same answer either way. Now let's do, if you look, here we have a right triangle. So that's a 90-degree angle, and that right there is the diameter. Okay, let's draw that a little better. That right there is the diameter. The diameter is also the hypotenuse of that right triangle. And half of the hypotenuse is square 72, and then that would mean the other half is also square 72. If we call this side x and this side x, and we can do that because in a square all sides are equal, so we would have the Pythagorean Theorem, which would be x squared plus x squared equals the hypotenuse squared. And if the hypotenuse is square 72 two times, then it would be 2 times the square root of 72. That is the hypotenuse. So x squared plus x squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So that is our formula to get each side of the square. X squared plus x squared equals 2x squared. And then we have to square 2 times the square root of 2. To do that, we would square both the 2, which 2 squared would be 4. And then we would square the square root of 72. And the square root of 72 squared is simply 72. All right? So now we get 2x squared equals 4 times 72. The 2 and the 4, that could simplify to the 2. And then we get x squared equals 2 times 72, which is 144. So x squared equals 144. So x equals the square of 144, which is 12. So now the side is 12, which if we go back to our right triangle up here in the circle, so each side is 12. That side is 12, and that side is 12. And the formula for the area of a square is just simply x squared, meaning the side squared. And if each side here is 12, so the area of the square should be 12 squared, which is 144. And that is our answer. So the answer to the question is 144. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any other equations you want me to do, put it in the comments. I'll try to do it. And if you subscribe, you can see the new ones that we post. I should be posting more in the very near future. Thank you.